the channel. I hope you guys are doing good. If I tell you guys I am so cold. I am so cold right now because this room that I am, there is no heater inside this room. And I just want to film here because I normally film in my dressing dressing room. So I decided to change to this room because each time when I finish filming there will be hair all over. It means I need to clean everywhere, but this one is an open space, is an open room, so even if there's hair it will be fast for me to clean it. That's why I film here. But there is no heater in this room, guys. I am so cold. so cold. So what I do, I on my hot coat down so that it can warm the room a little bit. Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. That is the first round thing. So today is another hair review, and this is the packaging. So this wig is a 13 by 4 lace wig. It came in this plastic bag, and let me see, the inches is 26 inches. And its body weight 13 by 4 lace wig is HD lace. It's written on it, but they use biro to write it on. So I'm going to bring the wig out in a minute. Also, I have some goodies inside. I have a pair of lashes, elastic, detachable elastic, detachable band. Let me open it. This detachable band with two smaller ones that you can use to adjust it to the level that you want. And also it came with a wig cap. Let me see, no more other things. So those are the things that came with this gorgeous wig. And this bag, okay, and this is the name of the brand, and that's their logo. Like I said, it's 26 inches. This should be very long. 26 inches is long, right? It's long. It all depends. I found out that some wigs they will write 26, some they will write 24. When you see some 24, they are like 28. When you see some 26, they are like 30. When you see some 22, they are like 24, 26. So I don't know why. So that's the length of this one. You can see it's long for 26. It's a HD 4/27 honey blonde highlight body wave. So what you're seeing on camera is the exact color. My camera did not change the color. It's brown and gold. I'm loving this color. You guys know for some time now I've been reviewing this color. I so much like it, the brown and the gold and the wave. Okay, let me remove the paper. It came with center part. Okay, let me see. The lace is brown. I don't know. Okay, I don't know why it's showing white. Let me stand up so that I will show you guys well. Color is brown. You can see the knot. See, but it's showing kind of white on camera. I don't know why it's doing that. It's my camera. It's brown. Okay, it's not as white as what you guys see. Let me come closer whether you see it more. Okay, you can see it. Maybe you guys can see it more. It's even more darker than this, what you guys are seeing right now. The hairline, little bit pre-plucked. They plucked it little. You can see it. I'm going to wear it so that you guys will see the difference. And also it came with center part, but you can change the party if you want. So you guys know I like center part. And the net, there are some holes. Had some holes which makes it breathable. Okay, and that's the material they use in constructing the inside. You can see it has some holes. You can see my finger here. It's very transparent. Also, there is an adjustable strap that came with it, and at the back they attached a lace to it. Okay, and it came also with some combs. I'm going to leave the link of this unit on the description box. If you're interested, you can check that out. All right. And the hair is very full, so full. Let me see if there is shedding. little shading here. That's nothing. So you guys can see that it came with how many combs? 1, 2, 3, 4. So but I'm going to remove this one at the back because sometimes it disturbs me. So either I remove this one, I'm going to leave these 2, these 3, then I'm going to remove this one that is attached to the back. So guys, this is it. I remove the comb from it. Sometimes with the comb on it, if you want to lay your lace wig on the back, maybe you want to pack your hair ponytail, with that comb it will disturb you, but when you remove the comb from it, you will see it will lay very flat easily. I told you guys that it came a little bit pre-plucked, so you can install your wig like this. This is how I will install it. Okay, I'll leave the link to the units on the description box like I said. So right now I'm going to install the wig. I will leave you guys to watch me. I'm not going to talk. I will leave music on the background. And gorgeous, please, before you go, if you like it here, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. So with all that being said, let's move ahead to this hair tutorial, the installation of this hair.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do.
So I'm going to repeat the same process on the right side since I've been doing this in all my videos. So let me do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done it all round. I'm going to lay my baby hairs at the same time so that I will tie it down. I'm just going to bring some little baby hair out.
Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be Count the stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the lane. to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good.